Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tool aprons that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the WELKINLAND 16 Pockets Wax Canvas Apron. The WELKINLAND Tool Apron is designed for maximum utility and comfort. With 16 spacious pockets, you can keep all your essential tools within easy reach, ensuring nothing slips out while you work. The apron offers full protection, covering you down to the knee with a water-resistant material that guards against sparks and spills. You'll appreciate the well-padded shoulder straps that distribute weight evenly, reducing strain on your neck and back. Plus, its heavy-duty construction ensures it lasts through tough jobs, making it a reliable choice for any carpenter or mechanic. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Woodworking Shop Apron. This 16 Oz waxed canvas apron is handcrafted with reinforced grommets and rivets, double-stitched tool pockets, a safety glasses strap, and metal tape holder. Its tough but flexible material provides full coverage and protection, while its design distributes weight evenly over the shoulders to prevent neck and back pain. It also features deep, dust-resistant pockets and an adjustable harness for a perfect fit. Ideal for woodworking and other heavy-duty tasks. At number 3, we have the Bucket Boss Canvas SuperWaist Apron. The Bucket Boss SuperWaist Apron is a heavy-duty tool apron designed to provide convenience and organization for all your tools. Made with durable canvas construction, this apron features 13 pockets and 2 web hammer loops, allowing you to easily store and access your tools while working. The adjustable belt with a quick-release buckle ensures a comfortable and secure fit for users with up to a 52 waist. With the Bucket Boss SuperWaist Apron, you can keep your tools within easy reach, saving you time and effort during your projects. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this apron is a practical and reliable tool companion. At number 2, we have the Dickies 16 Pocket Workshop Bib Apron. The Dickies 16 Pocket Workshop Bib Apron boasts a durable canvas construction with webbing reinforced pockets and reinforced edges to guard against wear and tear. With 16 pockets, including 3 chest pockets, 3 large pouch pockets, and 10 slip pockets, and a durable webbing tool loop on each side, you can keep all your tools close at hand. The adjustable belt can accommodate waists from 32 in to 52 in. And finally, at number 1, we have the BRITEREE Tool Apron with 21 pockets. The BRITEREE Tool Apron is designed for both men and women who work with various tools. With 21 pockets of different sizes, you can easily organize your screwdrivers, pliers, and scissors, making your tasks more efficient. The apron features 2 magnetic strips on the chest, allowing you to store small items like nails and screws within easy reach. Additionally, the deep pockets prevent your tools from falling out, even when you bend over, thanks to the elastic strap on the cell phone pocket. Made from durable canvas, this apron ensures your pockets remain sturdy and reliable during tough jobs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.